Hello everyone, and welcome to the To Explore Wellness channel. I'm Amy, certified nutrition and accountability coach. On my channel, you will find lots of different tips and tricks, healthy and delicious recipes that helped me lose and maintain a 50-pound weight loss. I take pride in putting out information on my channel that not only has helped me lose and maintain my weight, but also help my clients do the same. I'm so excited to have you here, and I know you're going to find lots of valuable content. I wanted to share a little bit more about my journey so that you could get to know me better. About 10 years ago or so is when I really started thinking a little bit more about my health. I was a little overweight, and as you can see from these before and after pictures, I've come a long way. I've lost around 50 pounds, and it wasn't until the past few years that I was actually able to maintain that weight loss. Just like many of other people, I went through the whole yo-yo dieting cycle for years. I ate only 1,200 calories, I restricted my favorite foods, I eliminated alcohol and pizza and chocolate, fit my food into tiny containers, and I ended up gaining it back. It wasn't until I took the time to educate myself and really start developing healthier habits that I was able to finally maintain my weight loss for good. That's what brings me here today. I now have developed such a passion to help others eliminate what I went through and be able to finally maintain their weight loss goals for good. Thank you so much for making it this far in the video. I'm glad that you're here. I'd love if you could show your support with a subscription, like, comments. It really means so much to me and helps me grow and put out even more and better content. Thank you so much, and see you again next time.